Hello everybody. We good? Alright everybody. I'm going to show you guys how to make a easy, quick dinner. It's a fruit salad, something I make. Savory fruit salad. Doesn't take too much to make. Three ingredients and a few spices. Whip it together and you're good to go. So normally I'd start with a organic cucumber, but they didn't have any in stock. So I'm going to cut the ends off real quick. Cut about a quarter of it, maybe a third of it. Slice that up, use that for the sauce. Tomatoes, usually use 2 medium, near that. Or I'll use some of those small cherry tomatoes. Now this here has about, 4 to 5 grams of protein in it. What I'll do is I'll use about a half of one of these tomatoes for the sauce as well. The rest of it, I'll just dice everything up. Throw it in the bowl. Really good. Real quick, easy lunch, breakfast, whatever you want to call it, dinner. I use this a lot of times while I'm or just before or just after I'm fasting, because I'm still having fruit. So this is something that you can use to stay on a fruit diet. So just keep that in mind. I usually eat mine with a large spoon, only because it's easy. Doesn't work that well with a fork. You can see how quick this really goes together. Couple spices I use. One in particular is the nutritional yeast. Really gives it a good flavor. Cheesy, nice kick. Avocado. Always nice to have a good avocado. Yum, creamy. And I guess if you want, you can save the seed, grind that up. That's also have a lot of antioxidants in it. I haven't used that myself yet, but I've heard a lot of good things about it. So I thought maybe I'd give it a try one time. You see, half of this I just take and put it right into the salad. Real quick and easy. The other half, we scoop that right in. That makes the salad dressing real creamy. Got that all in there. Good stuff. I'll rinse in the hands. Alright, let's start with a little bit of nutritional yeast. Get it open. I usually go with about a couple tablespoons. I like a lot of nutritional yeast. Good flavor. Now we've got cumin. Usually use about a quarter teaspoon, depending on how hot you like it. This doesn't have too much heat to it, but it gives it a good, I guess, a spice or a flavor. Mustard. Another quarter teaspoon. Same thing with paprika. And about a half teaspoon of salt. Get that in there, get it all put together. You can use a Vitamix, NutriBullet, any high-speed blender that it'll all fit in. Doesn't take too long. Whip it up. Just like that. Really good for you. A lot of omega-3s, protein, fiber, and still all fruit. How do you like that? Doesn't get much better than that. Mix it up real quick. And there you go. Fruit salad. Let's see how that tastes. Mmm. That's good.